Hello everyone! Today what we're going to walk through is how to use the AB layout tool step by step. Have you ever spent valuable time trying to measure wall layouts with a scale ruler only to find errors in your measurements? Or struggled to transfer plan dimensions accurately into your estimation software? The AB layout tool eliminates these frustrations by letting you work directly with digital plans. This tool allows you to load plans, set precise scales, trace walls, and add critical elements like station points and elevations. The result? Fewer errors, significant time savings, and precise data that exports directly to AB walls or the AB retaining wall estimating tool, and even 3D. Since its debut, the tool has become increasingly popular. Like any new platform, there's a learning curve, but once you understand the correct process, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Now let's walk through that process together and get you comfortable navigating the tool. You can find the layout tool on allenblock.com under Tools, or up at the top by the toolbox. When you open the layout tool, you'll be first prompted to load an existing grading or site plan. The tool accepts PDF, JPEG, or PNG formats, so you can work with whatever plans your customers provide. Once your plan is loaded, you can navigate it easily. Pan around the plan by right-clicking and dragging your mouse, or zoom in and out using the on-screen buttons. On the left side of the screen, you'll find all of the function buttons. We'll go through these from top to bottom, showing you each step of the process. Before you can measure anything accurately, you need to establish a scale. Next, zoom in on a known dimension on your plans, typically a scale bar if one is provided. Click the Set Scale button. Click at the start of a known dimension, then move your mouse to the end and click again. The program will ask you to enter the measurement you just traced. For example, if you traced a 90-foot scale bar, enter 90 and hit OK. Your scale is now set for accurate measuring throughout the project. Now for the main event, tracing your wall layout. Click the Trace Wall button. Start by clicking at the beginning of your wall. Then make a series of clicks at each point where the wall changes directions. As you trace, the tool displays the length of each segment you're drawing, giving you immediate feedback on your measurements. If your wall has curves, trace the straight segments up to the start of the curve, then click Add Curve button. Adding curves is a simple two-click process. Click at a point within the curve, then click at the end of the curve. Once the curve is added, continue tracing the rest of your wall. When you reach the end of the wall, press the Enter key or click the Done Tracing button. If you only need a plan view for the AB Walls software, you can click Export Plan. This downloads a DXF file. Now for the elevation views and complete estimates. You'll need to add station points along your wall. Click the Add Station Points button. You'll see a yellow dot that follows your mouse to the closest location along the wall. You need at least 2 station points, one at the start and one at the end of your wall. To ensure you're at the beginning, move your mouse past the end of the wall, then back to the start. Check the station reading in the Wall Stats box in the lower right corner. This shows exactly where the yellow dot is located. Click to lock in the yellow dot's start location, then move your mouse to where you want the station label text, then click again. Repeat this process for each location where you'll be taking elevation measurements. When you're finished, press Enter or click Done Adding. Next, click the Add Elevations button. A dialog box will appear with inputs for top and bottom wall values. Reference the elevation values from your plan and enter them into the appropriate fields. Click the blue arrow to move to the next station point. Continue through all your station points, adding elevations as you go, and click Done when finished. Once elevations are complete, you'll see 3 new export options in the left menu. Send your wall data directly to the AB retaining wall estimating tool. Download a TXT file for importing into AB walls, or send the wall parameters to view in Allenblock 3D. You're done! What if your project has multiple walls? Use the Clear Wall button to remove your traced line while keeping your scale setting. Then, simply repeat the process for each additional wall. Be sure to export the data before clearing. The AB Layout tool was developed to solve a real problem that affects your bottom line, the time-consuming and error-prone process of manually interpreting and scaling wall layout plans. Before this tool, you probably used scale rulers on printed plans, which often lead to measurement inconsistencies. These small errors compound throughout a project, potentially affecting material quantities, costs, and installation success. Now you can work directly with digital plans, ensuring accuracy from the start. The tool eliminates the guesswork and reduces the time between receiving plans and delivering professional estimates to your customers. Every minute you save on layout and measurement is a minute you can spend with customers or on other profitable activities. The AB Layout tool doesn't just improve accuracy, it transforms how efficiently you can move from plans to estimates to project completion. Your time is valuable, and this tool is designed to help us live up to our goal of always better, always Allen Block. To see more videos, check out allenblock.com.